Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang yung subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka namang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. At saka nga pala, pwede mo silang dayuhin sa Calamba, Laguna. Doon yung bahay nila. Ayan, pwede kang pumunta para magpa-reading ng personal at magpa gamot ng personal. Sila, spiritual healing. Okay? So, let's start. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Kunin muna natin yung mga main energies dito. The Empress is here. Wow. Dito pa lang sa unang card, napakaganda ng energy, napakaaliwalas. You do have your King of Swords. This is also your energy, napakaganda rin. And I can see a lot of transformation para sa iba sa inyo na ginagawa mo sa sarili mo. The Four of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and the Ace of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Okay, for some of you, wait lang. Magsimula tayo dito. Sa The Empress kasi ito talaga napakaganda ng energy nito. And isunod na natin yung King of Swords. Okay, nakakakita tayo dito ng I can see you being this person with the Empress. Ang daming na-attract sa'yo. Hindi mo lang alam. Physically and sa ngayon, more on physically and attraction. And yung iba sa inyo, sa ugali, hindi masyado. Maybe dahil before, ang energy mo is gustuhin ka sa ugali, pero sa itsura hindi masyado. So, di ba natatawa ako sa energy? In the past, maybe you are too friendly. Maybe in the past, you are open. In the past, ikaw yung tipo ng tao na ibibigay mo yung lahat just to make these people na gustuhin ka. Okay? Yung iba kahit physical na or material na bagay, ibibigay mo yan kasi parang sige, gustuhin niyo ako maging kaibigan, gustuhin niyo akong makasama. Kasi, yung iba, I have money. Ayan, ibibigay ko sa inyo to. Kaibiganin niyo lang ako. Samahan niyo lang ako. May ganun kang energy in the past. But now, okay, malaking pagbabago. Wait lang, guys. Okay, I'm back. So, ayun. So, maybe in the past, ganun na, no? Ganun ka. But now, ang laki ng pagbabagong nangyari sa'yo. Kasi kinalimutan mo na yung past mo na yon. Ayaw mo na ng ganun. Natuto ka na. With the Empress, you're looking so beautiful. Ngayon, sa itsura yung tinitignan sa'yo na kasi hindi ka nila makilala ng personal. Kasi with the King of Swords, maybe hindi ka na ganun ka-open. Nakikita natin yung transition mo from being open in the past, naging ano ka na ngayon, tahimik, or maybe namimili ka na ng kakaibiganin mo, na namimili ka na ng kung sinong papapasukin mo sa buhay mo, parang ganon. Natutunan mong bigyan ng respeto ang sarili mo, and kaya naman ngayon, mas hindi naman sa pero mas napapansin ng tao sa'yo, yung physical mo, dahil not only that you have learned to respect yourself, but also nakita natin yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, ibinigay mo yan, nagbo-blooming ka ngayon, so napapansin nila yan. Ang dami na nagugustuhan ka because of this, because of your looks, and everything about you. Kasama na dun yung maybe you do have good name, ayan, maganda ang pangalan mo, or maganda yung tingin sa'yo ng ibang tao kasi karespeto ka, so yung iba ganon. And then we do have here the Four of Cups, so I told you this is your energy na parang wala ka nang pakialam sa mga bago, new friends, new love, etc. You are this person na parang pinag-iisipan mo muna maybe 100 times bago mo tanggapin itong mga bagong ito sa buhay mo. So, sinabi ko nga, pwedeng friends or love. You know? And, yung iba parang may nakukuha kong I don't know if you are takot sa love or ayaw mo na muna. I can see the energy of parang yung iba kasi pwedeng nag-move on ka or naka-move on ka na regarding this. So, some of you with the Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, nag-move on ka but maybe you're waiting dito with the Temperance card. Naghihintay ka sa someone na pwedeng nagkakaroon ng separation sa inyo nitong taong to. I can see the soulmate energy here with the High Priestess. Yan. Maybe you see this person as the one for you. Your Six of Wands, siya yung magbibigay ng forever with you and maybe nakikita mo tong person na ito na siya yon. Hindi para sa lahat yun, guys. Some of you lang, konti lang, konting energy lang yung nakukuha natin ng ganun. It's a high chance na yung iba sa inyo, you're not welcoming love nga lang pa sa ngayon. Okay? So, let's move on. Mga messages for you. Mga paparating for you, for Earth sign. Ano yung mga paparating kay Earth sign? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Page of Pentacles. The Knight of Cups is here. Mga paparating sa'yo. The Three of Wands is also here. One more card for our Earth sign. The Hierophant. Ayan, it's also here. Bottom of the deck, Six of Swords. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Bigyan mo ako ng time. Inom lang ako ng konti. Kanina pa ako nauuhaw. Okay. So, anyway. Tingnan ko natanggal yung aking lip tint. Anyway. The Hierophant, so, hindi ko alam kung ano unahin ko. Ito na lang muna. Since ito naman yung una nagpakita. Okay, nakita tayo ng mga bagong offers sa'yo in the near future. High chance na may kinalab. If you're single, pwedeng may mga lumapit sa'yo. And, of course, yung choice mo is nasa sa'yo pa rin. If you're going to accept this. I can see a person na lumalapit pero more on material yung mga pinapakita niya. And, I feel like you're not interested. Hindi ka interesado. Mas gusto mo pang mag-try. Yung iba kasi gustong mag-try pero may kinalaman sa past. So, I don't know kung anong ibig sabihin nun. Pwedeng gusto mo mag-try na makipag-connect, makipag-relasyon, pero may kinalaman sa past. Yung iba, i-deny yun. Kasi pwedeng hindi naman mga ex yung tinutukoy natin, but rather past person, past people sa buhay mo. Pero yung iba talaga, wala at uli. Wala talaga. Ayoko. Parang gano'n, allergy. And with the Three of Wands, nakikita natin dito in the near future, I can see talaga na may paparating sa'yo. Kaya lang, someone, like maybe someone is going to travel, no, to see you in the near future. May magta-travel para makita ka. Tell me about this. Yeah, we do have the Three of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. I can see money. related na pagta-travel dito. So, I don't know kung ikaw ito mismo magta-travel or may magta-travel papunta sa'yo. But I can see this growth pagkatapos nitong travel na to. Ang daming pera dito with the 10 of Pentacles and the 3 of Pentacles. Okay, and also at the bottom of the deck, meron tayong Page of Swords. So, this is also a card for pagta-travel via airplane. So, ganon. Yung nakikita natin dito, if this person is oh, wow. I'm not expecting this. Clarify natin. What's with the Three of Swords? Anong meron sa Three of Swords? Okay. Three of Swords is clarified by this Seven of Wands. I can see a relationship dito, honestly. Napaparating sa'yo. Or a connection. Pwedeng may taong papalapit sa'yo na mag-cause or maging dahilan ng pagkakagulo with the Seven of Wands. Kasi I can see potential or possible like a third party situation sa pagdating nitong taong to. Hindi ko lang alam kung ikaw ito na connection mo with someone yung magugulo or siya yon tapos pwedeng may ka-connectionang iba na magugulo and then maybe there's a third party situation there. So, high chance na mangyari ito sa'yo. And what's with the Hierophant? Okay, in the Hierophant, we do have here the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so, yeah, I can see possible na kung ano yung mga gusto mo in the past na I'm feeling like tao, person na minamanifest mo, dadating ito sa buhay mo with the Page of Wands. With the Five of Pentacles, pwedeng hindi mo ine-expect na dadating or babalik ito sa buhay mo. With the Four of Wands, I can see stability sa inyo nitong taong to. Like maybe relationship na hindi mo ine-expect with the Hermit and the Devil dadating sa buhay mo. Ngayon, hindi ka na maghihintay pa. The Temperance is here. Nakuha ko yung energy ng reversal. It's a reversal. So, hindi ka na maghihintay pa. And, nakapag-decide na. Parang, the energy is may taong babalik sa buhay mo dahil nakapag-decide na siya na ipepresent niya ang sarili niya at ibibigay niya lahat sa'yo with the King of Cups. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.